How to make sponsored on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can make sponsored ads on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have noticed other people always posting something with a sponsored tag in it. So just like this, you can see booking.com actually placed a sponsored ad. Maybe you also want to make your own post and then throw an ad out there on Instagram. So to do this, come to your profile page and make sure you have a professional account. We already have a tutorial on how you can switch to a professional account, which is a creator or business account. So make sure you have a professional account and select a post that you want to sponsor, and when you select that post you'll find the boost post option. Remember that this will only be available for business or creator, which means a professional account. So when you tap on boost post, you'll find a couple of details that you can find it. So you have to select your target audience, your goal, which is your profile visitor, website visitor, more messages. Tap on next. You have to select your audience. You can select automatic, or you can select a special ad category, or you can create your own audience depending upon a certain amount of group. Then tap on the next option. You can select a budget duration, which means let's say I want to spend $15 daily for a period of 6 days. My budget is $90, right? But if I want to spend only, let's say, $5 daily on 2 or 6 days, my reach is estimated reaches over 16,000 to 5,000. So I can tap on next. Final step would be to review my ad, select everything, select the cost summary, total spend $30, tap on boost post, enter my payment method, and then I'll be able to make a sponsored ad. This way you can go ahead and then sponsor or make a sponsored ads on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.